Hello guys, this is Tech Genius once again, and today I am going to review the JBL Flip 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker. Using this speaker is really very easy. If you need to connect this speaker to any device, first turn it on by pressing the power button. A beep sound will show that the speaker is on. Now to connect this speaker to any device using Bluetooth, press the Bluetooth button. A flashing light will indicate that the Bluetooth is on. Now to connect this to a device, we need a device. Just like I am connecting this to my iPad, an iOS device. First go to settings, Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is on and my iPad is searching for devices. As we can see here, my iPad has searched for JBL Flip 2. This is the speaker. To pair with this speaker, tap on it. As we can see here, the iPad is pairing with the Bluetooth speaker, JBL Flip 2 Bluetooth speaker. And once the pairing is done, we can see that the Bluetooth light has stopped blinking. Now if you want to pair the speaker with any of the Android smartphone via Bluetooth, you need to follow the same starting steps. Turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. A beep sound will indicate that the speaker is on. Press the Bluetooth button to turn on Bluetooth on the speaker. A flashing light will indicate that the Bluetooth is on the speaker. So let's keep this aside. I'm using a Sony smartphone and Sony Android smartphone. To pair this phone with the speaker, go to quick settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Once the Bluetooth is on, go to settings, Bluetooth, and search for devices. A JBL Flip 2 device is available for pairing. Tap on it to start pairing. The speaker is getting connected. Beeping sound indicates that the speaker is connected to the smartphone. When the smartphone is connected to the speaker, the Bluetooth light will start flashing and it will be solid light. The JBL Flip 2 speaker has NFC technology built into it. You can see on the right side of the speaker, it is written NFC here. So if you want to connect the speaker to any smartphone or smart device using NFC, you need to follow the same steps. Turn on the speaker. Now on your smartphone, go to quick settings, turn on NFC, turn on Bluetooth. Now to pair this phone with the speaker, tap the phone on the right side of the speaker on its NFC port. A pop-up will appear asking permission to pair. Tap yes. And it is showing that it is connecting to the speaker. The beep sound indicates that the phone is connected to the speaker. See?
I'm waking up to action done.
So this was the sound test for this speaker. In terms of sound, this speaker sounds really very well. It gives justice to all the money you spent on it. In terms of battery, this speaker is a really good speaker in terms of battery, a very good portable speaker, because it takes only 45 minutes to 1 hour to get fully charged, and you can get a playback for about 3 to 4 hours using this speaker on a continuous play. In terms of connectivity, this speaker again is really very good, because you can pair this speaker to any of the device, like an iOS device or an Android device, using Bluetooth or NFC. If you talk about portability, the speaker is really very good, because the speaker is provided with a hard shell carrying case. We can see it here. The case is having a nice JBL branding on it. Inside the case, it is covered. It is having a soft cushion lining, so that the speaker does not get damaged at any cost. The speaker itself has rubber lining on both sides and on the base as well, so that it does not get slip on the table or get a better grip on the table. The side rubber covering protects the metal mesh of the speaker from getting damaged, and this speaker is really a very good product in every term. So that's it for the review. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.